there's so many tutorials within a tutorial, because we swapped out our roller rotary for our Chuck Rotary, which came from this laser here. Unscrewing the Y-axis and unplugging it. And then I got the rotisserie cord, which fortunately the plugs are the same. The Monport Rotary they sent me, according to their documents, did not correspond to the motor controller dip switches, so I got fed up anyways, because the rollers don't even keep the cup from walking off the end of it. And I did some modifications and I wasn't satisfied with that. But the Chuck Rotary is the shit, man. That thing ain't going anywhere. Alright, so my dip switches, the Y-axis is the bottom controller. So I physically traced out the wires through the channel. I traced it out to this one on the bottom. This one will be X, and this one is Y, which is front to back. Front to back. Yeah. Let's see if I can hang the phone here. Oh, look at, oh, I don't think that's gonna work. Oh my God, look at that, cool. Okay, so if I zoom in there, maybe I can get, there's the dip switches right there. So I got a switch, I think it's 6 and 7, back to the off position, and oh wait, that's 5 and 8. 5, yeah, 5 and 8 we turn on. Here we go. Oh yeah, that might even help me see it. Number 8 on. Number 7 off. 6 off. 5 on. Oh, that was good. That was good footage. Just a little screwdriver like that. Or something non-metallic, non-conductive, where you could unplug the entire machine from the wall. But I'm a qualified personnel, so we got it. Cool. And we can just close that up after I take my flashlight out. Now that should switch it from 2,000 steps per rotation to 10,000, whatever I said it was, 800, 12,800. I think 12,800. I'm making a mess already. I'm gonna energize the machine. See this thing spin. Make sure my jaws are secure. I got rotary plugged in. I got the dip switches flipped. I got rotary enabled. I'm gonna turn her on. Rotary's turning. Awesome.